Hello, YouTube. I realized I didn't make my videos I normally do, and I've been busy lately and talking to my therapy and whatnot. Sorry I haven't made my videos in a while. I'll make them in the morning whenever I leave and stuff. I know it's only like 4, so like it's like only 40 o'clock in the morning, and I should have been in bed. I'm so tired. I'll make them, but just like I'm gonna have to bring my little mic stuff with me if I can find it. It's probably in this drawer somewhere along with my sunglasses and everything. But I'll look for them before I get up. I'm getting up around 8 o'clock, not no 7:35, because I'm not no morning person. And plus, that's too early, so I'm not doing that. I'm getting up around 8 o'clock. Only 8 o'clock. That way I can get my stuff ready in time and brush my teeth and then wash my face. Because Thursday I was gonna like, bro, why would I get up early when you know I'm not no early person? I only get up at like 8 o'clock. Who wakes up around 7:30? Not me. So I'm like, in and out in my sleep. I'm like, bro, the fact that I have to get up around 7:35. Y'all know I'm not no early person, right? I don't know who wakes up around 7:35, but imagine me getting up around 7:35, and I'm like, last time I checked, I don't get up around 7:35. So I'm like, okay. Yeah, I don't know who gets up around 7:35.